Summer Club is back this summer from the 28th to the 31st of July with a brand new safari theme, Roar. But you can come along to that. The booking is now live and open on the website. So parents, get your kids, if they're primary age in school, then they can come along. So make sure that you get them booked in so they don't miss out on all the fun. Young adults, this one's all for you. Our next Young Adults Hangout is happening on Saturday the 18th of July here at church, 12 till 2 p.m. upstairs. We'll be meeting, we'll be praying together, doing a bit of Bible study and just having fun hanging out. So if you're new to us and you'd like to find a bit of more of a like-minded community that are a bit younger, then come along and you'll meet lots of new people and you'll go deeper in your faith as well. So that is 12 till 2 on Saturday the 18th of July. We'd love to see you there. We have got an event coming up called Soul Focus in July, and this is where we're having evangelist Mark Ritchie coming to join us to give us some healthy tips on our emotional and spiritual well-being. It's all about how to look after yourself and dig deep in looking after your soul. So if you want to come along to hear from the evangelist Mark Ritchie, then come along to that on Saturday the 18th of July from 10 a.m. till 12. It's going to be a powerful morning and we'd love for you to come and be a part of that. You can find more details online or chat to one of the team. Over the August holidays, we're going to be doing a little changing of our church services. So on 2 of the Sundays, we'll be doing just a morning service at 10:30 a.m. So there'll be no evening service on those 2 Sundays. But this means that we'll have space to do a picnic at the park after the morning service. So it means we get to hang out more. And also on the bank holiday weekend, we'll be having an extra fun time at Sandwell Valley Park at 4 p.m. So you can join us for that on Sunday the 30th of August. So that's all for XL News, but don't forget this week is Connect Group, so make sure you connect with yours. Have a great week, guys.